With my businesses, I pay myself. I have an allowance and I do not go over the monthly mark. I give myself a certain amount to spend every month. It's called discipline and it's called balance. Sometimes you have to treat yourself like a child. Do not go over that amount. I don't care how bad you want something. Do not go over that amount. Just because you can pay for it doesn't mean you can afford it. Just because you can pay for it doesn't mean you can afford it. Just because that money, that amount is in that account, that doesn't mean you can afford that handbag. You have other bills. And welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I have my notebook because there's so many different things that I wanted to discuss with you guys. But before I get started, I want you guys to view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Before I go over the handbag of the day, I just want to say congratulations one more time to Miss Zena. She did respond, guys, so I am not looking for a backup winner. I am getting that prepped and shipped and it will be in your hands by this weekend. So thank you guys again for all the positive love and comments you left in my previous video. Okay, so the handbag of the day is the beautiful LV trunk clutch. I have been having this handbag for, I guess, like 4 or 5 years now, but this was my second LV purchase. The first purchase was my Neverfull in Damier event, and this was my second, guys. I will never forget, it was a time in my life that I was going through a lot from the passing of my father, and so when I saw this beauty, I went in, I didn't even ask the price. I told her this was the perfect crossbody for me. And at the time, I didn't even really know anything about reverse monogram. I just know the color combo I wanted. These are my colors. And so I told her to ring it up. Once she rung it up, guys, it was like over $3,000. And I was like, what? What? This small handbag? But of course, at that time, as stated, I was going through my own thing and I told her to bag it right up. But I am so happy and blessed to have this in my collection. I honestly didn't care about taking care of the gold hardware. You see all the scratches. That lets you know I did put it to use. But I honestly love this handbag, love having it in my collection, and honestly love that it is reverse monogram. Now that I really know and really love it, I'm glad that this was my first reverse monogram purchase. As you guys can see, leather is black, and I just love the appearance of just, you know, the trunk theme. I'm not sure why they added this here, but a splash of red never hurts. But the strap is adjustable and it is detachable, meaning I can add the Pochette Matisse reverse monogram strap or just the monogram strap if I want. Perfect crossbody. I love it. So here it is on me, and it is tall girl friendly. But again, it is discontinued as well. Why? I don't know, but I am thankful to have her. So this was the handbag of the day. Simple outfit, boss bagging season. I have worn this shirt before. Shorts, here it is. And again, I had on my flat mules guys, you need some LV flat mules in your collection. Just go up half a size, okay? So here is the handbag of the day. I love it so much. So, am I keeping the Speedy 25, my recent purchase in the cognac color? And yes, she's here. Beautiful color. I am keeping her. Again, it matches my outfit. I told you guys, if you have this handbag, you are going to own fall season. But then again, this is an everyday bag. Luxury, wealth, rich, you got it going on, you are a boss. That's it. So yes, she is staying in my collection. Also, I do wish it had the small monogram embossed print here on both sides. Someone pointed that out and you are correct. That's what it is missing. But hey, I love the giant LV, gold hardware. And someone else pointed out that they don't add feet to the Speedies because of the slouch look. That I guess that's what the Speedy is known for. When you wear it as a crossbody, it gives the appearance of a slouch look. But hey, I still want gold feet, hardware feet at the bottom. But I am living and still love this handbag so much. And I am getting used to it being a size 25. So I am keeping her in my collection. A lot of you guys in the DM saying that you will buy her from me. She's not for sale. I'm keeping this handbag. So yes, the Speedy 25 in the cognac color, brand new, is staying in my collection. Next topic, guys. I honestly need help. I just need 3 more handbags for 2022. That's it. 2022, I am just looking for 3 more handbags. Basically, it's really one that I want, but I want these other 2 because I don't have these colors in my collection, and I need these colors in my collection. And after that, guys, October, November, December, the last 3 months of 2022, the last quarter of the year, I'm bossing up. I am trying to get these last handbags by the end of this month or by the beginning of October, and that's it. That's it for me. That's my limit. I am done. That's it, okay? I am going to concentrate more on my content, more YouTube, and I am prepping. It's time for me to get my vision board together. I'm prepping for 2023 because how you end your year usually is how you're going to start your next year. So guys, last quarter is on. So the bags, I'm going to say this. I need a white handbag. I have been looking at Jacquemus handbags, and I love the large. I love the large round handle. It's very creative, and it's me. So if you guys know another luxury brand besides Jacquemus that sells white handbags, I want to know. I'm not interested in Coach. I just never been a fan of Coach. I don't know why. I've seen a lot of cute handbags. I love how they look, but for some reason I just haven't. Just even years ago, I had a Coach bag before. I'm just not into Coach, guys. So please let me know, where can I go and find a white leather handbag? I need to know. Right now, my eye, again, is on this beauty here. And guys, even if it's canvas, I just want a nice handbag that is the color white. But this is the handbag, again, that I am looking at. Very creative. I love this handbag. I have seen it in person. I saw a young lady with it on at the Galleria, and I fell in love. So that is one that I do have my eyes on. Basically just a white handbag. Help your girl out. Leave it in the comments. I need help. The other color is orange. You guys see, for some reason, I have just fell in love with orange. I think orange goes with white. It goes good with black. Of course, it goes good with green, this sage color, and brown. I need an orange luxury handbag. The only handbag that I have seen, I've seen two, is the Bottega handbag and also the Balenciaga handbag. But I want gold hardware. Am I asking for too much? This does have silver hardware. Maybe I'm overlooking somewhere, but I want orange and gold hardware. I'm not saying anything is wrong with the silver, but everything in my collection, everything that I wear kind of go hand in hand with gold, and I just like gold hardware. So the Bottega handbag, and I'm not just a fan of it, but it's okay. It's not bad. And the Balenciaga handbag. That's all I've seen. So if you know where I can find an orange luxury handbag, please let me know. Orange and white. Those are the colors that I'm looking for. Help me out. And the last bag of 2022 that I know that I am going to purchase for sure is the Ysl Niki handbag. Only thing wrong is I'm torn on the size and I am torn on the color. I don't have a gray handbag in my collection, so I don't know if I'm going to get gray, black on black, but I have the black on black sunset from YSL. I don't know. And I also have the cream, the white Lulu handbag from YSL. So help me out. They even have like this beautiful caramel color here. I know I need a Niki handbag. I think that's going to be an awesome handbag for the fall as a crossbody. I just can't wait. So I know for sure I am going to purchase the Niki handbag. Help me out with the size. Medium, large, and what color should I go for? And I'm leaning towards gray, but I need help in that area, okay? Also, yes, guys, I am selling handbags. I am selling some of my handbags in my collection. The handbags that I know I am not going to pick up. I know I'm not going to reach for these handbags anymore. And I do feel bad because I purchased these handbags for a reason. But I'm not reaching for them. You know what? A matter of fact, let me get the item so I can show you guys. And if I change my mind, I'm going to let you know that too. But let me go and get these items. But these items, I know I'm going to sell. Okay, so I'm back. This is the multi-pochette. It comes with a small pochette in the front and a larger pochette in the back. I've worn this, I would say, twice. I've never worn these together as a multi-pochette. I have it the wrong way. Here it is. This is the front. Okay, and this is the back, the larger pochette. I honestly wore these separate. Like I wore the first one as a pouch here in the front. And then when I went out with my husband and some friends, I wore this, the larger pochette, you know, by itself. It does come with two straps. It comes with a black adjustable leather strap. And it also comes with a black and gold chain strap, as you guys can see. And the black leather strap is here. Basically brand new. So I am selling this here, and I thought I left the price inside. I think I did. Yeah. Yep, the multi-pochette. You guys can see. And let me see if it's a price. And I'm going to sell it for the price that I paid for plus shipping is $2,230. Okay, so if you are interested, you can send me an email. Hopefully I don't change my mind, because if I do change my mind, I'm very honest and I will let you know. But as of right now, I'm not reaching for this handbag at all. I have the YSL black and gold college handbag. And I also have, what else do I have that's black and gold? I have so many black and gold handbags, guys, so I don't reach for this. The next is the Neonoe MM size Unprint Turtle Dove. This comes with a pochette, detachable pochette to where you can wear as a wristlet or a small tote. Very beautiful. Inside, matching microfiber material. And as stated, I do sell for the price that I purchased plus shipping, $2,980 plus shipping. If you are interested, please send me an email. My email is in the description box, or marquitalvluxury, it's marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. Brand new, and it comes with a longer strap, adjustable, detachable, and it also comes with a tote strap. And it's so crazy. You don't really start loving the bags because I have so many handbags. You don't start loving the handbags until you start telling people about the handbags. It's like I'm selling to myself. This is so cute. But I'm not reaching for her at all. And I can't believe this beauty isn't gone yet, okay? The Damier Azure went before her, but I am so shocked. This is the Noe BB, guys. I am selling for $1,650, $1,650. Monogram and vachetta. It does come with a adjustable and detachable vachetta strap. Can be worn as a crossbody drawstring closure. I do have it stuffed. Brand new, no marks, nothing. Vachetta, still basically in new condition. Okay, this beautiful backpack. I honestly forgot the name of this backpack, but I was saving it for my daughter. She's not interested. I purchased this because I love the color combo of the Damier Ebene and the Rose Ballerine Pink. Top handle, you can carry it as a tote. Very, very cute. It does have matching straps inside that are Rose Ballerine Pink. You can honestly wear this as a crossbody, as a tote, or as a backpack. The D-rings are here. And the clasps, you can just push down. I do have it stuffed, open right up. Here it is. Inside, it has a pocket inside, Rose Ballerine Pink. Let me take the stuffing out. Rose Ballerine Pink. The straps are here. Leather straps. Brand new. Okay, so guys, these are the 4 handbags that are up for sale. If you are interested, and this is $2,000. All of my handbags are in good condition. You guys know this. You do have an option to have these shipped with the dust bag or with the dust pack and the original LV box. But if you do add the box, just know that it is additional because of weight. So contact me, marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. Okay, guys, please help me out. Let's not lose focus. I still need help. White bag, orange bag. If you have the Jack Moose handbag, I need to know. I want it in the white color. I need an orange handbag. Help your girl out. I need an orange handbag. And the Niki from YSL. Should I go with a medium, large, what color? I'm looking at the gray, but if you have a Niki from YSL handbag in your collection, let me know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I love you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. And hey, until next time, stay blessed. And again, congratulations, Zena. Bye-bye.